Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the Big Floors 3X3RESMAPLE Modular Interlocking Lightweight Plastic Dance Floor Kit, a versatile and portable solution for all your dance practice needs. This complete kit includes 9 interlocking 12 inches x 12 tiles and 12 edge pieces, forming a sturdy 3 feet x 3 dance panel that can be expanded by combining multiple kits to suit any space. Weighing just 18 pounds, this lightweight dance floor is easy to assemble, disassemble, and transport, making it perfect for dancers on the go. Engineered with 840 support structures per square foot, these durable tiles are designed to withstand continuous use without the need for tools, as they simply snap together. Whether you're dancing indoors or outdoors, this 100% waterproof floor won't let you down, and its vinyl surface makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it down with a soft cloth. Proudly made in the USA, this dance floor kit is compatible with all Big Floors products, ensuring you can expand your dance space effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more product showcases and reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.